Hi guys, Terry here. Today in A to Z Craftroom organization, we're going to talk about the letter G. So I've decided to talk about glue and adhesives. So I want to talk about ways to, all the different types of glues that we have, and then how I've got them arranged in my craft room. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing I'd like to show is I'm using the Alex drawers that are from IKEA. I'm using that to hold up my tabletop. These are very inexpensive desktops, and then you can put feet with them, or you can stand them on these Alex drawers. They're the perfect desk height. And then I have labeled the outside of the drawers. So in the first drawer up here at the top, I've got my tape runner, scotch tape, staplers, foam squares, dots, just all kinds of adhesives that I use to stick items onto card fronts and scrapbooking pages. So I'm using some of the trays that come from IKEA, fit inside these drawers nicely. I've also got back here, I rarely use these, so I've got them in the back, but I've got these long foam strips that are used for making a shaker card. You can use these because you can shape them and make them into an area where you can put the little sequins and stuff inside a card. So those are rarely used, so I've kind of got them here in the back of the drawer. And then I've got, this is one of those refrigerator trays. So it's a nice long skinny one, and I've got my foam roll, my really sticky red tape in a couple different sizes. I like the Tombow tape runners and the refills. And then I buy the refills in bulk. And then I've got a basket that's over on the shelf next door to the table where I've got tape runners and more glue. And then another brand of, well, another Tombow product that I like is the Mono Liquid Glue. This one is more of, this one's called Aqua, and it's more water-based. This one here, I like it because it has less water in it. This smaller one costs a little bit more than the clear. They both dry clear, but I do like that this one has less water in it. So yeah, I've got those and a variety of other glues that I've picked up along the way. I've got those just in these little Dollar Tree baskets. I find that if I have these little dividers in the drawer, it helps keep stuff in position. I think these little trays were from IKEA, so it's just keeping some little doodads in here. I've got some fabric glue, but this way I know these two drawers here are where I've got my adhesives that I use all the time. I love the drawers too. They're next to my desk where I'm making everything, so they're close at hand. And like I said, with these little dividers, it just helps the drawer stay a little bit more organized. I like to have everything so that I can see it. Less used stuff is in the back. Here's some bottles of Eileen's tacky glue. I think I got these in something because I don't normally buy this. So I've got them in there for when I want to use them for that. I think it's a multi-purpose. Yeah, all-purpose, all sorts of surfaces. So yeah, that's kind of what I would tell you about adhesives. Keep just, what you need at hand, and then extra stuff can be stored maybe in baskets, either in a closet or over on a shelf to keep out of the way. So I hope that helps you with organizing your glue in your craft room. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Otherwise, please subscribe, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks, guys.